Hi, my name's Rich, and this is
Benjamin.
I thought I could probably upgrade my body of my Nikon camera, but I found through research that I've actually had to go out and buy a load of kit. So the reason for this video is to go through that, show you what we've bought, and then run through a review of each. We've gone for this little 200D. And I understand this is the piece of kit that we need to use. We've gone very much budget. Like the camera was about 519 with a kit lens, £519 that is. Went for a little budget. I think it's called a Takstar SDXC 598. Again, £24. So this will. Like I say, it's cheap, but you guys are telling me that will do the job. So I'll just put that there. This really old stand tripod. I think we'll be able to reuse that whenever we.
It pinches fingers. But
it does pinch fingers. It's very true. Right. I've always gone for original batteries for my Nikon, but I've now gone for these. It's Keenstone batteries for DSLR cameras. Dual charger with 2 batteries. I think that was about £25. I'd really like if anybody could put any comments if that's a good idea. I don't know about, like I said, I've never owned a Canon DSLR, so is it a good idea to put, are these batteries going to cook? Are they going to damage the camera? No idea. So if anybody can let me know in the comments, is that a good or bad idea?
We won't start using it until you comment. So comment down below.
Okay. That's true actually, because it does come with a battery.
Yes. So definitely comment down below. We need you guys. Yeah,
before we cook our new gear,
oh no.
Is it a good idea? Okay. Just a few other things we bought. I had to buy a new bag because the old bag. If I can just grab that.
Too small, if we say.
Yeah, it's great for putting some lenses, but I haven't got that many small lenses. But like I say, if we look at in here, it's got some room. I can show the camera that. But where's my big lens going to go? So yeah, you feel that, and that's even got a box around it. That was much lighter, yeah. So what we've replaced, because our Nikon doesn't do video, my Takina, what's this? This is a 11 to 20. It's going to be replaced by a 10 by 18. So would have done the same job, 600 quid, whatever it is. A little bit redundant now. But we'll see how this one goes on our next review. Okay, so let's now try and get this. Let's see how this microphone goes. Really nice little bit of kit, this.
Can I put it on?
Yeah.
That'll be the test dummy.
So this is a little bit fiddly to get this without ripping it. That little head on's a little bit tricky. But I've done it.
Well, there should be lights on it.
What does that say? Cameras off, smartphones. Well, we're on a smartphone, so maybe that's what that does.
Ah, look.
Ah, hang on.
Sorry about the
complete action using.
Yeah.
Well, no, maybe not. I think it's turned our camera off. Oh no, I don't know what's happened.
Sorry about the.
Okay, so I've just plugged this in.
Is it working?
Yeah, but how do you do this bit? No, I need to look.
You clip it onto the speaker.
So that's why that was more difficult to go. See, always read the instructions.
We could get used to it.
Okay, let's take a look at. Yeah, of course. No idea what they are, but don't lose them.
Testing.
Okay, so what have we got? Some little.
My microphone.
We've got some, whatever they are.
Oh, can I go to bed with this?
Yeah.
It's so soft.
some instructions which I will read later, and let's have a quick look at this.
Oh my days, you do not learn, do you?
Okay, so that looks like that goes into the shoe of the camera and just screws on, and it's
so it goes on to the bottom.
Goes onto the top of the camera, and you've got a little.
Oh,
that's interesting. Oh yeah, it's just got a little clip. Don't know if you can see that, a little clip there, and that probably pulls off and it goes the other way, because I believe on this Canon it needs to go in that side. That is pretty cool. We'll give that a test. Oh, those little things are just, for some reason, if you all those little spares, looks like for this connecting, where it connects onto the to the bracket, each end. So maybe they break a lot. Okay. Right. What's that called?
Instruction.
No, that thing.
Credit card.
No, this.
Oh, box.
No, the thing inside
microphone.
It. Microphone. What's it called? It's called a boom microphone.
A boom. A recording microphone.
No, they give that a special name. I can't remember what that's called. We've got the furry thing to go on the whatever that microphone's called. That's doing my head in. What's that called?
The Tacaster.
Tax.
I've been waiting nearly all week to touch this. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, it smells quite nice as well.
Really? That's what you do with things that go on the end of microphones, yeah? It's more like a glove, right?
Yeah.
Maybe it's called a glove.
A glove? Yeah!
Okay. So what else have we got?
Put on the glove.
True. I think it was through one of those guys called that I keep watching.
Reviewers.
Yeah, what are they called?
Reviewers? YouTubers.
Those two American guys.
Yo, we're American.
Yeah, what were they? Well, anyway, those guys. They mentioned. Oh, yeah, you can. Yeah, put the Tackstar instruction. I need those. So this, those guys said to me, well, in their video, didn't say to me, but they said to use this as a white balance, and I think for their setup, they use the grey to get the right white balance. I think they're doing pretty good for skin tone colour, I think, but maybe we need it for when we use it.
I look a bit pale.
Maybe we've got it wrong, so maybe we do need that. Okay, and then finally...
You were sitting on this.
Yeah, it's alright. I wasn't actually sat on it, otherwise it would be broken. And then finally, if I can get this open, we bought this Gorilla Pod. Again, from the guys that...
Amazon.
It did come from Amazon, but I bought it.
Can I show you the
legs? You go for it.
The legs. And look, you think it wouldn't move?
Yeah, so apparently you can, as you see from the box, you can... I'm not sure I'd want my sort of £1,000 or even my, in this case, my 800 quid camera sort of on a rock. Not sure I'd trust that. Obviously they've got it round a bar, yeah, and then they've got a light there, so looks great.
Oh, why don't you show them the tree?
And a tree, yeah. So we bought it because I didn't really, as you saw, I've got two tripods and they are pretty hefty. That one's really heavy. The one that my
camera's on.
My phone's on is really light, but it's still quite bulky. I thought this would be really good. Apparently we're going to be doing this going around town. So the one thing with this is whatever it said, is it a Joby? Or Jobby, I don't know, Gorilla Pod.
Review nearly finished?
Yeah, it's nearly over. We'll have to set the camera up now and
do another video.
So this is a 3K kit, but the biggest thing with this was £68 something. I couldn't believe it. £68 for that.
Wait,
it's unbelievable.
Literally rubber, bits of glass, a special thingamajig. That is expensive for metal.
I think this comes off somewhere. I don't know how you get.
And glass and liquid thingamajig.
And there was a piece of plastic in the box.
Was there?
Which is no longer in the box, and I didn't even know what it did, to be honest.
Oh, so...
I must have put it somewhere. Okay, cool. So that's
See you
our big long download of everything we bought. Let's put it together.
Oh,
Okay, so there.
Oh look, bubbles. Oh no. Oh. Oh wow.
Didn't work.
It's like a wind, a gust.
Okay, again, really nice looking lens. Let me see. So this, this is an image stabilizer lens. So that it's got macro on it as well. Well, that'll be useful. That means it can get really close. That's going to be a cool lens. Okay, one thing we've noticed with the Canon lenses, we mentioned earlier, really nice lens, beautiful weight. Just have a touch of that, beautiful weight. But they don't come with any protective bags, which
Can I make the thing go up?
If it will, I don't know what it does. Oh wow!
Wow.
What is that lens? So that's an 18 to 55. That looks a really nice lens. I'm really actually quite excited to use this. I think it's going to be great.
Oh, it changes the.
So there's the lens. This is the 10 to 18 on the body. Really can't wait to use this. I think it's going to be brilliant. I'm just as keen to use it as a still photography camera. I noticed in all the shops that sell these that you can go. They're exactly the same price, but you can go with I think it was a 3.5 f-stop. Can you see where the f-stop is? Let's have a look inside.
Is it S-stock or S?
I don't know what that means.
F-stock or S?
So that one there, you see, says 18 to 55 mil. It's 1 to 4.5. No, 4 to 5.6 IS. Now, I thought that was really important that that's got image stabilization, or whatever you want to call it, which means it'll stop the shutter, because I think the camera's limited on that. Need to check on that. But the other version that most shops do, like Argos, you'll buy it with the 3.5 lens, and it's got no image stabilization, so I am assuming that's not so good. So this one, you need to check that it's got this IS lens as a kit lens, which was my point. Okay, so that's it. So if you can give us any tips in the comments when I've worked out what this website looks like.
What website?
YouTube. I've only looked at it. I've never commented, I don't think.
I've commented once or twice.
What was you watching?
Minecraft.
Oh, okay. Who were you watching?
I don't know.
Okay. Right, okay, so that's it. But yeah, I can't believe they did not include a little bag, because now it's all going to be big. Even this Tac Star comes with a nice bag. So I've got a £221 Canon lens, which wasn't that one, it was that one, but it's irrelevant. They both don't come with bags. And a £25 cheap budget mic comes with a nice bag. I just think it's odd, but maybe that's me. Comment down below and let me know, is it just me, or should these things come with a little protected bag? What do you think?
Maybe, yeah, probably.
Why not? Nikon do it. Okay.
And Nikon's not as good, are they?
I don't know.
But if you have a Nikon, don't just go, oh, Nikon's not as good, buy Canon, because I might be wrong.